I would like to learn, or remember how to live.
Have I longed to live on this earth, walking her boundaries, never counting the cost?
Tell me, what is your plan to do with your one wild and precious life?
So many are trying to recreate something so important for soul's sake.
Human experience and skill are capable of affecting only a tiny fraction of nature's immensity.
For many, many somethings, each of them small and beautiful.
My imagination makes me human and makes me a fool. It gives me all the world and exiles me from it.
I think and worry. What journeys have fallen apart here?
Life's too hard for us all.
Or is Western society irreversibly committed to the illusion that humanity is separate from and dominant over the natural world?
We're fucked.
The circle is the way to see, the circle is the way to live, always keeping in mind 7 generations to come.
When hope dies, action begins.
Only by restoring the broken connections can we be healed. This story now belongs to you.